Calling American Motors Customer Relations. If your is under warranty and you need emergency roadside service.
Zero! I think I've got an emergency. Hello? Oh, God, it's ringing. Thank God it's ringing. I've got an emergency.
Customer service.
Hello? Is this customer service?
Yes, sir.
Hi there. My name is Milton Fludgecow, and I'm driving in my right now. I'm on my cell phone. Have you heard about the big scare with the Well, what's the story there, smart guy?
Well, really nothing at this point. Our engineers and staff are looking into the problem. We don't have any comment at this time. How long have you owned your car?
I just bought it yesterday, and I want to test it out right now to see if it really does flip.
I advise that.
I'm driving on Bayshore Boulevard here in the Tampa area, and I'm going 35 miles an hour. I'm going to accelerate right now and then weave and swerve back and forth and see if this thing really does flip. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, hold it. All right, weaving and swerving.
You don't want to do that, sir. That's not a good idea.
Okay, weaving and swerving.
Hello?
And swerving.
That'd be kidding me.